Good morning, everybody. This is Karen Martz. So last video of the silvery cheeked hornbills. So look, they've got themselves a little pond. I love it. They've got the tropical plants in here. Look at this big leaf plant. They've got a very tropical surrounding area. They've got their own botanical garden out here, not kidding. Hi, pretty birds. So look how beautiful. Fabulous flowers and trees. And then look, we've got the male up here who's been extremely vocal. Hello, how are you? Oh, and there's the female. She's like, don't leave me out of the video. Woo! Hi, beautiful. So the top of the bill, I just learned this word today. C-A-S-Q-U-E, casque. Pretty interesting, and it helps to vibrate the sound so it'll be louder in the jungle. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we're signing off live. Beautiful pair. Silvery cheeked hornbill. Have a great day.